Text: Troubleshooting a UE error code on an LG washer. Subtitles:
Troubleshooting a UE error code on an LG washer.
An LG washer interface. Text: UE.
If you are seeing a UE error code on your LG washer's display panel, this indicates an unbalanced load has been detected during rinsing or spinning, and the washer is unable to automatically balance the load on its own.
The dryer barrel spins full of clothes.
In most cases, this code can be easily resolved without the need for a technician. First, press the Start/Pause button to pause the cycle and wait until you are able to open the machine.
A woman opens the door to the dryer.
For small loads, manually rearrange the garments inside the washer to evenly distribute the weight in the drum. Then restart the cycle. For mixed loads, it is better if the clothing is separated and washed according to fabric types, such as jeans, cotton fabrics, bedding, etc. Then manually redistribute the load inside the washer as evenly as possible and restart the cycle.
Press the Start/Pause button on washer.
Lastly, make sure your machine is properly leveled on a stable surface. If the washer is tilted or can rock from corner to corner, it can be difficult for it to properly balance the load.
Somebody tightens the foot on one side with a wrench.
Please refer to your product owner's manual or our video on leveling a washer for instructions. If after performing these steps the UE error code persists, the unit will require repair service.
A technician stands beside the washer with a clipboard.
Please visit our Request a Repair page.
LG website in browser. Text: Request a repair.
For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website.
Icons: Twitter, Facebook, chat, email, phone.
Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
This video is provided solely for informational and instructional purposes. This video is not intended to replace the product's owner's manual. For complete information on product use, setup, or assembly, you should consult the owner's manual and any other documents provided with the product. The information contained in this video may contain inaccuracies or typographic errors and is subject to change without notice. LG is not responsible for any direct or indirect damages or injuries that might occur while you are using or relying upon the information provided in this video. Depending upon its model, your product may differ in appearance from the product shown in the video. Also note that for instructional purposes, the video may depict the device operating faster than in reality. For any further questions concerning your product, please contact LG.com or LG Customer Information Center. This video shall not be copied, distributed, or reproduced, in whole or in part, without the prior written authorization of LG Electronics. Copyright 2022 LG Electronics, all rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Company Limited. Any other company names, product names, and marks are the property of their respective owners.